Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. I hope you all are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. I welcome you all in summary video. Dear student, as you know, we have started unit number 21 in our last class, and I have given you a homework that was exercise B on page number 106. I am going to share my answers with you so you can tally it on book. Number 1, we have a food made in Switzerland, that is cheeses. A country below Switzerland, that is Italy. A country above Switzerland, that is Germany. A name for province in Switzerland, that is Canton. The town where this story happened, that is Altdorf. A sport in Switzerland, that is skiing. Now we are moving toward our today's work, but before this I'm going to revise the story again for you. In this unit we read that long ago there was a wicked ruler, a cruel ruler whose name was Gessler, Hermann Gessler, who ruled in Switzerland. Once he fixed a pole in the marketplace and he hanged his head over it and ordered the people to bow to head to show him respect. As the people were afraid of him, so everyone bowed except one brave man, that was William Tell. He refused. When Gessler heard about this, he ordered to arrest William Tell. He was brought to him along with his son. Gessler ordered his soldiers to fasten his son with a tree and place an apple on his head. He again ordered William Tell to shoot with the arrow the apple. If he shoot the apple, he and his son will be set free, and if he missed the apple, he would kill his own son. He had only one chance, but he got two arrows ready. But when he shoot with the first arrow, he shoot the apple exactly. So in this way he saved himself and his son. But Gessler was very disappointed at him for this. But he asked from William Tell, if he had one chance, then why did he take the second arrow ready? So he answered. Who answered? William Tell answered. This second arrow was for him. If anything mishappened to his son, he would killed him with the second arrow. He said this and he went away from there. Now, dear student, we are moving toward our exercise, that is question answers. Question number 1 we have on page number 106, that is, who was Hermann Gessler? These answers will help you for making your answer. You can just take the help from these. Clear? Who was Hermann Gessler? Hermann Gessler was an unkind man. He was an unkind man and a strict man who ruled Erdorf, a town in Switzerland. Another possible answer, that is, Hermann Gessler was a strict and cruel man. He ruled Erdorf in Switzerland. Hermann Gessler was a ruler in the town of Erdorf in Switzerland. He was a wicked man. Now we are moving toward our question number 2, that is, what did William Tell do to make angry Gessler? William Tell refused to bow to Gessler's head, so he became angry or annoyed at him. William Tell was a brave man. He refused to bow in front of his head, so Gessler was annoyed at him. William Tell was a brave man. He refused to bow in front of his head, so Gessler was annoyed at him. Question number 3 is, why was William's son in danger? Gessler ordered his soldiers to tie the William's son with a tree, and he asked him to shoot the apple which was placed on his head. If William missed the apple, he would kill his son. Another possible answer is, William Tell refused to bow Gessler's head, so he was arrested, and his son was tied with the tree, and an apple was placed on his head. And Gessler asked William to shoot the apple. If he did not shoot the apple, he would kill his son. Disobeyed Gessler, so he arrested him along with his son and fastened him with a tree and placed an apple on his head. And he asked William to shoot the apple. If William missed the apple, he would kill his own son. These are the reasons. That's why his son was in danger. Now we have question number 4. That is, why did William get 2 arrows ready? William had one chance, but he got 2 arrows ready because if he killed his own son with the first arrow, he would kill Gessler with the second one. William got 2 arrows ready. If he had killed his own son with the first arrow, then he would kill Gessler with the second arrow. For that reason, he ready the second arrow. Now we have question number 5. That is very easy question. That is, how many languages are spoken in Switzerland? As we have clearly know that 4 languages are spoken in Switzerland. I hope you understood all the question answers. You will make your answers with the help of these answers. It is just a guideline for you. Okay, now we are moving toward our another exercise, that is 108 page. Exercise is a comprehension. Find the words in the list that mean the same as those in the table. These are the synonyms having the same names or same meanings. The words are regulation. Regulation means maintains, mix, skin, lamp, forest, lots, plan, upset, choose, visitor. Number 1 is stir. Stir means to mix, to shake something. As we stir tea with the help of spoon. So we stir, we move, we mix. Second is intend. Intend means plan. Lantern means lamp that gives us light. Rule means regulation or maintains. Plenty means lots of. Peel means skin. As we peel off banana means we remove the skin of banana. Then is woods. Woods belongs to forest. Disturb mean upset. Select mean choose. Guest mean visitor. I hope you understood the words and having the same meaning, the synonyms. Now we are moving toward our second exercise, that is exercise B, vocabulary. Ring the odd one out in each list. Here we have 5 lists given to us. In each list, one word is not the part of the group. So here we are going to move that odd or that the separate or the different thing from here. Number 1 is porridge, sandwich, cereal, toast, egg and meat. They are in raw condition, like meat, egg, toast, cereal and porridge, or they are having in their single form. But sandwich has many layers like egg, salad and mayonnaise, other things. So it is odd in the group. It is not the part of the group. So sandwich is odd here. You can circle it. Second is tiger, cat, lion, giraffe, leopard and cheetah. Here the giraffe is herbivore. It is grass eater, while the cheetah, leopard, lion, cat and tigers are carnivore. They eat meat of the other animals. So here is giraffe, that is odd. Number 3 is book, magazine, comic. Comic mean funny jokes. Film, newspaper and leaflet. These all can be read, like book. We can read the book. We can read magazine. We can read comic, means funny jokes or just jokes. Newspapers and leaflet. While film is we watch the film. So film is odd here. That is not the part of the group. Number fourth list is the words of action words. These are action words like running, swimming, boxing, dancing, sitting and hurling. Hurling means throw something, throwing, like we throw the rubbish, throwing rubbish. So here these all are the actions. But they have some movement, like throwing something, dancing, boxing, swimming, and in running. We move, but in sitting is also an action, but here we do not move. So the odd one is sitting here. Next is New York, Paris, California, Florida, Turkey, and Lahore. These all are from Lahore. We can easily understand these are the name of the cities. So New York, Paris, California, Florida, and Lahore are the name of the city, while the Turkey is here the country. So it is odd here. After this we have exercise E. We have done exercise A and B. Now we are moving toward exercise E on page number 108 page. So question is teaser time. Unscramble the letters to find the correct word. Clues are given to us. We have to rearrange these letters to make the proper words. Number 1 is where groceries are bought. From where we bought the groceries? Supermarkets. SUPER, super, MARKETS, markets, supermarkets. Number second is a storm with high winds, that is hurricane. HURRICANE, hurricane. Number third is it makes a couch comfortable. A couch is comfortable if it has a cushion. CUSHION, cushion. I hope you understood these all exercises. Now we are moving toward our today's homework, that is exercise D, same page 108 on book. You will do this exercise on book with the help of pencil. Question is sentence structure. Use these words to complete the story. You can see on your screen this exercise you will do as a homework. Some words are given to you like ago, afraid, man, market, bold, had, past, town, name, kill. I am going to read the passage for you. It is a very easy passage. This passage is taken from your unit 21. So easily you can fill these blanks here. Long dash, about 700 years ago, a strict and cruel dash, Karl Hermann Gessler, lived in the dash of Altdorf in Switzerland. He was in charge and everyone was dash of him. He set up a pole in the dash place. He placed his dash on the top of the pole and ordered people to bow to his hat when they dash. People always dash because he would dash them if they disobeyed, except one man. His dash was William Tell. So very easy passage is given to you. You will take the help from your unit and you will complete these blanks. Once you will fill a blank, the word will not repeat in other blank. So think and do it carefully. Do with pencil. I wish you best of luck. I hope you understood all these exercises. Inshallah, we will discuss rest of the exercises in our next class. I wish you best of luck. Stay home, stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.